Dear friends, I'm back with another machine on the Tryhackme, which is dev. I've already spawned the machine earlier, and this is the IP address of the machine. I'd like to use the Linux, which is running inside the VMware to do this preparation. Before we begin today's journey, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like below. You are greatly appreciated. So without further ado, let's just get started. So then we can switch over into the Linux VM. As you can see, I've already done the Nmap scanning with the usual option like C-scan, the version scan, the default script scan. And I use the option of ON to output the result into this file. And also I use this option to, not to do the live testing. So from the Nmap scanning results, we can know that the target has only one open port, which is 80, running HTTP service and also the version information, which is Apache 2. So what we are going to do next, of course, we need to do immersion with web application. Let's launch our browser first and put the IP address into the address bar of the browser. Here we got the default Apache 2 page back from the target. And we can scroll down to see whether we can find some interesting information. However, nothing found. And also we can check the source code of this page, which doesn't reveal any interesting information. So, okay, I think now we need to do some, more immersion with tools like Q to see whether this site has robots file or not, right? Robots. However, not found on this target or server. And next, we can use Ligto. Ligto. Ligto can reveal rich information about the web application, like the server information, version information, header information. Also, even sometimes can reveal some vulnerabilities. And also like header information, which can, some allowable methods. Sometimes we can utilize some dangerous methods, HTTP methods, for example, like delete, for example, like put, to do the exploitation. For example, we can use the put method to upload the file. However, this case, the Ligto cannot give us anything interesting. To save time, I will not wait anymore. So next, we can use the GoBuster to do the directory immersion or directory brute forcing. And I like to use the word list of the GoBuster and specify the extension option like PHP, like HTML, like a text file. Let's press enter to see whether we can find some interesting directories. Of course, because I running over the internet rather than a tech box. So the speed of this process is a bit slow. To save time of this video, I will not wait. I just give you the result directory. So I think from this GoBuster directory brute forcing, we can identify the directory of the web dev, and we can access this. I assume that we have already completed the directory brute forcing. Okay, let's press enter. Yeah, it's prompted us the login window. We need to provide the username and password. The web dev, we can, this is the common application. So we can use the Google to make some research to see whether we can find some default credentials for this web dev. And we can open up this one. Yeah, as you can see, the username is this one and the password. So we just copy the credentials into our notebook. Okay, so now we can try to access this directory. We just copy and paste, and the password, sign in. However, it's not correct. A bit weird. And we can provide the password. Should be working. However, yeah, very weird. Sign in. Yeah, we are successfully logged in. And there is file. Of course, this is the encrypted password. We do not need to make a decryption anymore. So I think now we need to make furthermore analysis for this application web dev. And the tool I'd like to use the same tool, Ligato, but this time, we need to add or append the web dev directory, and also we need to specify the username and password. As you can see, successfully authenticated to this directory with the user supplied credentials. If you don't know how to specify this information, the credentials, you can use the help of the Ligato. I think there will be no problem. And we need to wait for this to be completed to see whether we can find more interesting information about this application. The web dev application. I think we need to give Ligato more sweet time. HTTP method put allows clients to save files on the web server. Of course, the put method is very dangerous, which means that we can upload the file onto the target. For example, like a PHP reverse shell file onto the target. So next, I think we can use the Q command to upload the PHP reverse shell. Of course, before we do that, we need to have this file, reverse shell file ready first, right? And we can copy. I think I've already prepared this file. You can get it from the Pentest Monkey website. And after you download this file, you need to do some modification. We need to modify the IP address to make sure this IP address meets the actual environment, the attacking machine. And also, if you wish, you can also change the port number. Okay, anyway, I have already prepared this PHP reverse shell file ready, and then we can use the Q command to upload. However, how to use this utility for our purpose? Of course, you can use the Google to make some research. However, the Q itself includes the help or instruction, and we can use the help. Or I think first we need to specify the username and password, right? Yeah, the user. So we can use Q, and the user should be, yeah, I just copy the username and password. Also, we need to specify the method, the HTTP method. And the option would be uppercase X, request. Okay? Put. And then we can use this option, the upload file. Upload shell. And then I think it should be followed by the URL, right? Yeah, don't forget the web dev directory. And also we need to specify the file name. We can use the same file name, all right? So let's press enter. Hopefully this can work. It has been created. Okay, great. So then we can, of course, we need to set up the listener first locally. And then we can access this file, yeah, by this path. Should be shell. It looks like this is working, right? Oh, sorry. The port number should be 555. And then we can access. Again, it looks like this time it's working. Yeah, we got the collection or shell from the target. And of course, this shell is not very good. We need to spawn the bin bash session. In order to do that, we need to check the version of the Python, right? Yeah, Python 2 is there, and we can import a PTY module. Bin bash. Yeah, it's much better. Now we need to do some local enumeration to elevate our privilege, right? Or, we need to get or retrieve the root flag. First, we can get the user flag, main, and we can cut out the user flag. And you can copy this result and answer this question. We can copy. Let's submit. Yeah, which answer is correct? Wonderful. So now we need to get the privileged. Yeah, the root privilege to retrieve the root flag. And we need to do some checks. For example, we can check whether we can run the sudo. Yeah, we can. Even the current user, because of the misconfigurations by the root user or the administrator. It means that the current user, www.data, can run the cat command without supplying the password of the root user. And the cat command can retrieve the content of the root flag without any problem, right? So how to do it? Of course, you also can go to the GTF Obin's website, and here can give you the instruction or guide how to utilize the binary to elevate our privilege, okay? Of course, this case is very simple. The cat, we just use the sudo and cat and the path of the file, root flag file. As you can see, we got the root flag, and we can copy the value of the root flag and answer the next question. Let's submit, which is correct. So congratulations. Okay, we completed this machine or this room without any problem. Although we didn't get our privileged shell, root shell. However, we have already completed this room. So that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a nice day.